corrections to the resolution in view that Marcoleta is no more the Blue Ribbon chairman. I think the proponent should submit to the SP the corrected version of the text.
Actually, I submitted, but when Mr. Francis asked me to submit, my staff immediately also submitted, but there is a different version actually. I was also in a hurry at the time because I was having a lunch, so I believe that it was still the same. But in a way, the tenor is was still the same, the intention is still the same. But daw wala man gid siguro siyang daw nagtugang no, except the intention is for Engineer Bakaran to resign. So wala gid changes sa intention.
Change the title lang.
I-approve na to ng minutes. Approve. Are the corrections ready? Could we approve the minutes today as corrected? Sige. We don't more further corrections, any more manifestations from the August body? No, no more. So with that, would like to move for the move that the reading for the September 3, 2025 regular session be dispensed with, and that the same be approved with corrections. So moved.
It has been moved and seconded. Hearing no objections, motion is carried.
We may now proceed to item E1, the privileged speech of Councilor Johnny Young, entitled Protecting Public Safety and Equal Application of the Law, Enforcing Building Permit Compliance in All Projects.
Councilor Young, you have the floor.